With discrete data, it's a little bit different in that the bars don't touch. And that's because when it's not a continuous variable, we want to see some space in between the categories. Okay, so we're going to look at a nominal variable and ask a simple question. So that's just one question about a single variable, and we're going to develop a frequency table and bar chart to answer the questions. So the nominal variable we're going to look at here is gender, and there are two categories, females and males. We can go to Analyze Descriptive Statistics again, Frequencies, and I'm going to put gender in here. Oops, let's reset. And click on Statistics. We're going to look at Mode, because with the nominal variable, mode is really the most meaningful. And for charts, we're going to do a bar chart. Click OK. Your output should open up. And we can see pretty much the same thing in the table as we can see in the chart. There are more females than males, about 30 females and 20 males. So although you're required to include both in this week's assignment, it's really a matter of personal preference whether you feel the table or the bar graph best depicts your findings. Okay, so how do we write these up? You should include your research question. In this case, how many males and females participated in the research study? You can summarize your data. That means, presenting something like the mean, the median, the mode, and then reporting your chart findings. So I'm going to combine these two since we really have the same information in both. I'm going to put the chart in here and resize it so it's not too big for my Word document. And like I said, I'm going to summarize the data and report the chart findings. So we're going to call this Figure 2, Gender of Study Participants. Please note that the figure and the number are italicized and the title is not. So here's what we're going to say. As can be seen in Figure 2, more females n equals 30 than males n equals 20 participated in the research study. Okay, so we're going to include that here. And then you can just save your file and attach it to the discussion area. Or if you'd like to, you can attach your SPSS output and write your findings into the discussion area. In future weeks, I will require a separate, I may require a separate Word document, but this week you can just include your output and a summary in the discussion if you'd like.